Okay, it is late at night once again in the garage of mess, which is being cleaned up very, very soon, I promise. But we have some exciting news, so we're jumping into the car real quick. And that exciting news is we have an update. Thanks to the phone app, it alerted us to that. So right now I'm on 2018.10.4. But we have an update. Hopefully it is what Scott got, which is 2018.14.2, I believe. David was actually on 2018.12 for a while, and that's when the new map started actually rolling out, but he never got them. So hopefully he will get the new maps. But I have some data points to show you real quick. So some numbers, because we actually captured David and I's update. So the actual download for the update for my car, which is an older version than David's, was 419 megabits, whereas David's was 164 because he was already on 2018.12, not 2018.10.4 like I am, so probably just less for him to install. The maps that are said to come with this update to download at a later time after you actually get the update itself, those are said to be about 5 gigabytes worth of maps, so hopefully we'll be able to capture that too. And so yeah, we actually just have our own Wi-Fi for the cars. Comment down below if you want me to do that in a video to show you how we track them and everything. It's actually kind of cool, but we track it car by car so that we can see exactly what's being downloaded versus uploaded. It's actually pretty interesting. Future episode probably. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and download this and see what we got. So here we go. As always, this is a screen I'll never get tired of seeing, so just install now. 3 taps. And it's starting.
1 hour later.
Okay, it's much later. Got busy with some things, but let's see what we have here. And it is everything but the maps. That sucks. So like I had said earlier, the maps do download separately. So hopefully, since it's still 10 o'clock, there's plenty of time overnight. Hopefully they will download so that when I wake up in the morning I can have new maps, because that would be sweet. So I guess all there is now is to go to bed, which I kind of already feeling it. It's been a long day. So I'm going to go to bed. We'll wake up tomorrow and pick up where we left off. Okay, so it is now the next day from when I got the update. But unfortunately, I still don't have the maps or navigation. So I actually did a little digging on this, and here is basically what I found. So in the owner's manual, which is now conveniently located from the Tesla T up top, it's actually kind of a nice little touch right there. And under using the touchscreen and maps and navigation, at the very bottom, it says updated maps. So I'm gonna read this to you real quick because this is kind of interesting. It says to receive updated maps, periodically connect your Model S to a Wi-Fi network. As updated maps become available, they are sent to Model S over Wi-Fi only. The touchscreen displays a message informing you when new maps have been installed. Basically, if you don't have access to Wi-Fi, maps are going to be very, very hard for you, so I would recommend maybe on your drive or whatever, turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot so that you can hit that and then hopefully get some new maps. I know a couple people that I've talked to said they live in high rises and their cars are parked underground, no Wi-Fi. So maybe try that, see if that would work. I didn't get them overnight. I did just get the update though, so maybe I'll get them tonight, which is Tuesday night, and by Wednesday morning when this video goes up, I'll have them. If so, I'll put it down in the comment section. But that is great to see, because technically you can get software updates over the air, but maps, it looks like, are Wi-Fi only according to this, probably because they are much larger. I know the map for this is about 5 gigabytes, so that's a lot to be sending over the air to 200 something thousand cars now. So instead they do that over Wi-Fi only. But definitely try that. That is going to be the fastest way to get your updates too, is to be connected to a Wi-Fi signal. Even though they will come over the air, it seems Wi-Fi tends to be a little bit faster and a little bit more reliable. But maps, you will have to do Wi-Fi. That being said though, I am on 2018.14.2 now. I can say the auto wipers are working great, and it's a really crappy day here. It's like a snow, rain, sleet, a little bit of everything here in Colorado. They're working great. Autopilot, this morning I tested it out a little bit, didn't have any issues. I'll be doing some more autopilot testing on this update next week. But yeah, just quick update, let you know, definitely if you are on 2018.14.2, get onto a Wi-Fi signal ASAP if you want those maps. Otherwise, might not be until you take your car in for service, because at service centers, all the cars get onto their Wi-Fi. So worst case, drive over to a service center for a little while. But that's basically it for this one, just a quick one. I want to let you know, if you got the update but didn't get the maps, try getting on Wi-Fi. That should accelerate you getting those maps. But definitely let me know in the comment section below too if you got the update and the maps and how you like them. But definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com, if you're looking to buy a Tesla. If you're looking for a newer inventory, Tesla Model S or Model X, definitely feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you a free unlimited supercharging. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You better not.